Hey, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set the primary location for your menu in WordPress. Let's get started. First, let me show you how the pages appear on the website. You can see that all the pages are currently displayed at the top. Now, go to Appearance and then Menus. Select the menu you want to edit. As you can see, I only have these pages set for the header menu. Next, I'll check the menu assigned to the footer menu to show you. Here you can see I only have these pages for the footer. However, after saving the menu, they still appear at the top. To fix this, go back to the menu settings, select the header menu, and under the menu settings, make sure to check the option for primary menu to set the display location of the header as the primary menu, then save the menu. This should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Bye.